In today's video, I'm gonna make a fruit bowl that saves me $100 a month, and that's simple and easy to make. It also helped me lose 20 pounds of fat in 7 weeks. I used to be 250 pounds, now I'm 230 pounds. And this is one of the snacks that helped me make it. Simple, easy, cheap, fast. It will save you time and money. Let's get to it. So the first thing I like to do, so the containers that I use is containers like these. You get it off of Amazon. Just a seal tight, airtight container. Or you can also use some containers like this. Got it from Dollar General. Doesn't matter. Who cares, right? All this stuff came from Walmart. Pretty simple. I got cantaloupe, honeydew, grapes, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And some oranges, tangerines, whatever.